Hi guys, welcome back to BU Wellness. So here I am with a quick video where I'm going to show you my skincare routine. I have shared it in the past too, but I after shower, this is my skincare routine and I follow this at night too before bed. So as you can see, I've just washed my face, and right before this, before I started this video, I'm sharing some pictures where I'm showing my unfiltered skin reality, I would say, or the skin health, which has improved tremendously because of my skincare routine and because of the products that I'm using from Artistry from my shop at BU Wellness under Amway. So I hope you follow along, or you follow the steps. I'm going to share the steps in the videos too. So I hope you find this helpful. Okay, so going for my with this cleanser that's called Artistry Skin Nutrition Renewing Foam Cleanser. Taking a small amount onto my palm is like hands are wet, and I'm going to nicely massage and take some time to, you know, feel your skin, massage it properly and slowly. And this is what I've been doing from last 2 months, and I see the difference. Also, my dark circles are reducing because of the renewing eye cream that I'm using, plus the serum that includes 3 of the amplifiers, that Anti-Wrinkle, Brightening, and Firming. Okay, so let me go ahead and wash my face, and then I'm going to use the toner. Stay right here, guys, don't go. A quick view of my skincare basket, that I keep it ready and handy because I need this every single day. And since the weather has changed, spring is here and we have more sunshine. Okay, sorry about that. And I'm going to include the sunscreen too, but it's not in my basket yet. So this is how my after shower my skincare looks like. So let me introduce you to the products that I use. So I have been using this Renewing Foaming Cleanser. As you can see, the products are almost out. So this shows that I've been using it for last 2 months, and I've got a new set of my full products. So the cleanser, here is this renewing toner, and the reactivation day lotion. So it also has got SPF 30, so it also works as your sunscreen, and so I'm using this now, and it's I'm using my serum that has got 3 amplifiers, the Anti-Wrinkle, Brightening, and the Firming. My favorite Artistry Xtend foundation. And next is my Ideal Radiance Illuminating Moisture Cream, my Artistry Signature Color Black Eye Pencil, and my sponge, and I'm all set. So as you can see, I just rinsed my face, and now I'm going to pat dry. Clear skin is the best skin that you can gift yourself. Okay, so time for the toner, and I'm almost out. I'm happy that I'm using it. It's a milky color. Guys, I wanted to okay, I forgot something in my I forgot something to introduce you to, guys. The product that I use after serum is my eye cream, and you can see like my dark circles were so visible. Now it's like it's fading. I can see the skin has improved, as you can see. Reach out to me if you want to know more and you want to get these products. Grab these products before they're gone. Okay, so I also use this Artistry Skin Nutrition Eye cream, that is reactivation eye cream. I hope you can see it. Yes, so I use this before my moisturizer and foundation. I'm going to show you, walk you through the steps. So this is the toner, all done. Now it's time for the serum. As you can see, if you can see, I'm almost out. It's here, and I'm going to prepare a new serum for myself. So it's here. Always remember to massage your skincare products or your cream like in upward motion and out. Like it should go like this and right this, like this, and from your chin like in the upward motion. That saves your skin from losing its elasticity. I have double chin because of my thyroid problem, so sometimes it shows. Sometimes when I'm like really laughing a lot and doing a lot of exercises, this doesn't show. As you can see, it's not that visible today, but there are days when my face looks like swollen and like this big. I have to deal with it. I try. Okay, my serum is all over. My skin has soaked the serum. Now I'll go for the eye cream. I usually prefer using this eye cream at night when I'm going to bed or I'm resting, but just because I'm showing you guys, I'll show you. Okay, just a very small amount, and I do this. This should be your inside out motion, like when you're massaging, like, and go gently. Don't have to rub it like really hard under eye. Inward out. Done with my eye cream. Now it's time for the makeup. So I'm using Xtend. This is my all-time favorite lifting smoothing foundation, and the shade is called Soleil. It'll be in the description. And so what I usually do is, like, at night I use this Illuminating moisture cream, and now since the weather has changed, I'm going to use this day lotion, renewing reactivation day lotion. So I take a small amount or a little more, and I'm going to mix my foundation, and I'm going to blend this in over my skin, all over my face. Okay, you can see that, right? It's on the sponge. Blend it properly. I try to use it on my neck too. Now the weather is changing. It's like going to be a little warm outside, so your neck area might be is going to be exposed, so you don't want to look uneven with the makeup on your face. See how perfectly I blended this in. Okay, time for my eyeliner. Okay, I keep these tears keep coming out. And I'm all set, friends. I hope you like the skincare routine. I'll have the steps in the video so that you don't forget what needs to be done, and what should be the process, like, because we often get confused. I was there too, before I really learned about using or taking care of my skin or following these steps and really using these products, and that's the reason I have been seeing this difference. And I encourage you to try this. Take care of your skin. Natural beauty is fine, but I think as we age, I'm 40 plus now, so as we age, we need to preserve that glow, that you know, best look that our face has always reflected. And because it's one of the reasons to feel confident. You should not be feeling bad about yourself in front of others because you have a sagging, old, or uneven looking skin. It's so important, especially for girls, for women, to preserve their beauty, their health of their skin. So important, because as being a creative influencer and an entrepreneur, and a beauty makeup influencer that have learned in all these, in a year of my journey as an entrepreneur at BU Wellness Top, I feel that's the reason I don't want to give up creating these video contents, even though it takes time, and I need to find time to do all this. But I'll continue, because I know there are so many out there who needs this guidance, this guide, this I would say a user manual that I'm like, you know, to help them find a way to take care of their skin and feel that glow, feel that freshness, that softness in your skin. Okay, friends, soon I'll be back with a new video, with a new product demo, maybe more than 2 in a day today. So keep looking forward to many more videos and product demos at BU Wellness Top. See you soon. Bye, guys. Bye.